Make eco-friendly glass cleaner with 5 home recipes. Using glass cleaning products can help keep glass disinfected and free of dirt, but not all are eco-friendly glass cleaner varieties. They are usually made from chemical ingredients that remove the particles of dirt. But, little by little, they build up and make the glass look dull, without damaging the surface. Applying eco-friendly glass cleaner eliminates dust stains like magic, and it also leaves glass shiny as if it were new. However, many of the commercial products are expensive and are made of aggressive substances that can cause environmental problems and allergic reactions. What some people don't know is that eco-friendly glass cleaner formulas also exist, made with natural ingredients. Today we want to share 5 interesting options that you can try when you need to clean the glass in your home. 1. Vinegar and citric fruit glass cleaner. By combining the disinfectant properties of white vinegar with the natural oils of citrus fruit peels, we can create an alternative, cheap, and eco-friendly glass cleaner. Its natural active ingredients remove stuck dust particles and create a barrier against microorganisms. Ingredients: the peel of 2 lemons or oranges, 1/2 cup of white vinegar, 125 milliliters, 1/2 glass of water, 100 milliliters. Utensils: glass flask with lid, spray bottle, soft cloth. Preparation: cut the citrus peels into small squares and then put them in the glass flask and add the vinegar. Cover the product and leave it in a dark place for 10 to 12 days. Then, filter the liquid with a strainer and pour it into the spray bottle. Add 1/2 a glass of water and shake before using it. Method of use: spray the glass cleaner onto the surface that you want to clean and remove the excess with a soft cloth. 2. Eco-friendly glass cleaner with lemon and apple cider vinegar. Both lemon and apple cider vinegar form part of the list of ecological ingredients for cleaning and disinfecting. In this case, we combine the two into a single product, obtaining a perfect ally for leaving glass impeccable. Ingredients: the juice of 1 lemon, 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, 125 milliliters. Utensils: spray bottle. Preparation: extract the lemon juice and mix it with the apple cider vinegar in a spray bottle. Method of use: spray the product onto the glass and then wipe it with a clean, soft cloth. 3. Glass cleaner with cornstarch. Applying cornstarch to glass surfaces can help get rid of the cloudy appearance caused by dust. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 500 milliliters. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 8 grams. Utensils: deep bowl, cotton cloth, ball of newspaper. Heat the cups of water and add the cornstarch. Make sure it is diluted well before using it. Method of use. Rub the product over the glass that you want to clean and leave it to act until it dries. Once it is dry, rub it with a ball of newspaper to remove the excess. 4. Sodium bicarbonate window cleaner. The abrasive action of sodium bicarbonate can facilitate cleaning glass and mirrors. This product disinfects the surfaces and eliminates dirt stains. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. 1 tablespoon of sodium bicarbonate. Utensils: spray bottle, cotton cloth. Preparation: warm the cup of water and mix it with the sodium bicarbonate. Pour the product into a spray bottle and shake. Method of use. Spray the solution onto the things you want to clean and wipe them with a cotton cloth. 5. White vinegar eco-friendly glass cleaner. Thanks to its ability to get rid of dust and stains, white vinegar can also be used alone as a glass cleaning solution. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of white vinegar, 125 milliliters. 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. Utensils: spray bottle, ball of newspaper. Preparation: dilute the white vinegar in a cup of tepid water and put it in the spray bottle. Method of use. Spray the quantity you need for the job and leave it to act for a couple of minutes. Then rub the surface with a ball of newspaper until it looks impeccable. As you can see, preparing your own glass cleaner is very easy and doesn't require expensive or aggressive ingredients. Choose the recipe you most like the sound of and start using it as an eco-friendly alternative.